Hello everybody and welcome back to my home for this morning cleaning motivation. This morning we're going to be tackling a few things including the kitchen, some dishes, laundry, floors and organising my girls' seasonal clothing. As we are entering the colder seasons here in Australia, I'm going to take out the rubbish first and we're going to tackle the kitchen. When it comes to cleaning, I like to use my strengths, and I know that mornings are my strengths. In the afternoon I'm much more tired, I don't really want to do anything, so I like to use that to my advantage and get as much done in the mornings as I possibly can. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to get things working for me, so I've already put a load of washing on this morning. I've popped the dishwasher on and I've already disinfected this tidy bin. I just didn't give it a proper rinse out after putting the disinfectant in. I'm going to dry the tidy bin and I'm going to tackle some hand washing. I don't usually hand wash the dishes, but I don't feel like the kitchen is completely clean unless they're done and they're dry and put away. Even if the dishwasher is going, it's very hard for me to wait until that's done and then just repack and unpack. I'll usually only do that if I'm very busy. After cleaning the tidy bin with my old Scrub Daddy, I'm going to refresh it now, and I think it's important to know your strengths, such as like mornings are my time to shine. I also think that it's important to refresh some items, not just because they need it, but because maybe it makes you feel good. Knowing that I need to get all the dishes done in the morning is something that's important to me because I know it's good for my mental health. I'll end up cleaning the whole house and I'll look at those dishes sitting on the sink and I just won't feel completed. I won't feel good. Now this might not be something that bothers you, but it is something that bothers me. So I've learnt over time that these kinds of things need to be cleared. I don't like clutter. Some other things I do to keep me motivated when I don't really feel like cleaning in the morning, I love bubbles, so I like to use probably more dishwashing liquid than I necessarily need. I like to burn a candle, I like to put some incense on, play some music. I really like to set an ambiance in the area because as much as like cleaning's a chore and it's a task, I still want to make sure that I'm feeling good about it.
By you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me.
I've always been a very strong believer that idle hands are the devil's playthings, and that applies to me and my personality so much, and I can get lost sometimes in doing things so fast, and I really wanted to slow down this video. I really wanted to make this a realistic cleaning video where I was also taking my time and not rushing. Don't get me wrong, I love a good cleaning hack and I do not want to be spending my whole day cleaning, but sometimes just taking it slow like this is really nice.
Here to stay every single day, yeah.
Because I put the laundry on as soon as I woke up, I had the washing machine working for me. I was able to have a shower, get ready, I've tidied the kitchen, and now I can just hang them out and put a new load of laundry on.
It's just us two, me and you.
While I'm going through the house and doing these tasks that are on my specific to-do list, I always like to make sure that I'm picking up after both myself and the children as I'm going. The laundry and floors are going to need a really good deep clean, and this is early morning still. We have a few things to do today. I'm just going to spot clean the floors, including the kitchen, which I didn't tackle last night. I'm going to mop any areas that need to be mopped quickly, and we'll do the bigger tasks this afternoon when I have more time.
dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
If you are new to my channel, I do have 2 children. I have 2 daughters. This is my 7-month-old daughter, Winter, and I do have a 2-year-old daughter named Sophie. And I think it's really important to leave that clip in because that's what cleaning and day-to-day life is like. 99% of the time, I'm generally holding one of the kids or attending to them at the same time while I'm multitasking. It isn't all beautifully set up shots and sitting down like this. Sometimes I am trying to juggle 2 kids while I'm folding the clothes that are getting thrown around at the same time. And I think it's really important to note that. I am thankful to have Dylan's help this morning as we're all experiencing a cold. He is home. He's experiencing the cold himself, poor bugger, but we just know each other's strengths. I know I'm better in the morning, so I can get up, I can do the cleaning, he can watch the kids, and then generally Dylan's the one who picks up the slacks in the evening if I'm not up to it, because generally about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I really struggle. But let me know down in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this video. If you prefer mornings, afternoons, or evenings for cleaning, I'm really curious to know if it's like an unpopular opinion to love mornings, but I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe and come back for the next one. Bye!
Like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade if you're ready for